Hello friends, welcome to another practice question of Arithmetic Progressions. This is the 36th question in the series. I will strongly urge you to go back and watch the previous 35 as well. The link to the entire playlist is down there in the description for your reference. Now this question is very simple. It will test your ability to convert basic simple English language into mathematical equations. Let's start solving this one. This is also an NCERT question. So the question says that a manufacturer of TV sets produces 600 units in the third year and 700 units in the seventh year. Assuming that the production increases uniformly by a fixed number every year, find the production in the first year, in the 10th year, and in 7 years. So let's start solving this one. The TV set manufacturer produces 600 units in the third year. So A of 3 is equal to 600. Similarly, A of 7 is equal to 700. Okay, and the production increases uniformly, so we do not know what is the value of D, and it wants us to find what is the value of A, which is the number of TVs produced in the first year. It also wants us to find the value of A10, which is the number of TVs produced in the 10th year, and it wants us to find the value of all the TVs produced in 7 years. Okay, so remember, this is in the first year, this is in the 10th year, and this is all across 7 years. Okay, so this will be denoted by S of 7. Okay, is this clear? We have A3 as 600, A7 as 700, and the production increases uniformly by a certain number which we don't know, and the question wants us to find A, which is the number of TVs produced in the first year, the number of TVs produced in the 10th year, and the total number of TVs produced in 7 years. This question is actually very simple. It says A3 is equal to 600, so A3 we know is A plus 2D is equal to 600. Similarly, it says A7 is equal to A plus 6D, which is equal to 700. Now, if I subtract A7 minus A3, what I get is 4D is equal to 100, or D is equal to 25. Similarly, so D is equal to 25. This is part 1. Now, D is what we had to find, so we have found it. D is 25. Now, if I put in this equation, which is the equation of A3, what do I get? I get A plus 2D is equal to 600. Now what does this mean? This means A is equal to 600 minus 2D and D is equal to 25. So this will be 600 minus 2 into 25, that is 600 minus 50, which is equal to 550. So this is the second thing that I wanted to find, which is what is the value of A, which is the number of TVs produced in the first year. So this is 550. The next thing we have to find is A of 10. Finding A of 10 is very simple, because we know that A of 10 is equal to A plus 9D. What is the value of A? 550. We have already found this. Plus 9 of D, which is 9 into 25. Okay, which is 550 plus 225. Sorry, 225. Add the two, what do we get? 775. This is the third part of the answer, which is A10 is equal to 775. Now we have to find S of 7. We know S of 7 is equal to n by 2 multiplied by 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, this is S of 7. So what is S of 7? We know all the values here. N is equal to 7, so 7 by 2. This multiplied by 2a is 2 into 550 plus n minus 1 is 7 minus 1, 6 into d, which is 25. What this becomes is 7 upon 2 multiplied by 1100 plus 150. Okay, this becomes 7 by 2 into 1250. This is 7 by 2 into 1250, which is equal to 7 into 625, and if I solve this, I get 4200 plus 7 6 is 4200 plus 725 is 175, which is equal to 4375. Okay, 4375. So the answer here is 4375. So we found all the values that were asked in the question. I hope you found the solution useful. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe. In case you want me to solve any other questions for you, do put down your queries at the WhatsApp number mentioned in the description. Till then, keep working hard, keep practicing hard. Cheers and God bless.